Hey guys, as you can see, I'm outside at the university looking for an excuse to not be in the office sitting in front of a screen. And anyway, we're gonna do this week kind of a new activity. Uh, we've been focusing a lot on how to maximize our vocabulary and grammar that we already have in English this trimester. You've noticed that I have not really done any uh, sort of grammar exercises or vocabulary exercises because we're trying to maximize our output by concentrating on what we already have in our sort of grammar and vocabulary toolbox. So with this activity, what you're going to do is evaluate your own work and look for the aspects that are good and the aspects that are not so good. And the hope with this activity is that it's something that you can use after this class, and you can use the same concept in like many different situations. You can use it with speaking. We're going to do speaking, but you can also use it with writing, and to a certain extent you could use it with things like reading and listening a little bit. And so what you're going to do is find a model. So you're going to find something that you think is good. So in this case it'll be a video that's in English. Use YouTube. And you're going to try to replicate exactly what's going on in that video. And then you're going to watch the first version that you make, take some notes, think about what's good and what do you want to improve. Then you'll do another version, compare it to the model video, compare it to the previous video, see how it's evolving, and then you're going to decide when you think it's good enough or when you think it's a really close approximation. And the idea of this is it's going to help you to access those mental models. You know, we've been talking about mental models in class recently, and it's going to help you really make those mental models stronger and help out with things like intonation, because intonation is something that's really difficult to study, and also with your presentation skills, because speaking fluently, sort of like what I'm doing right now, is not exactly the same as having a conversation. I have to think about what I'm about to say, I have to be a little bit more organized, and I also have to speak clearly as I go along. So it's a little bit more challenging. Take a look at the description that I have in the forum number 10.1, I believe that it is, and if you have any questions, let me know.